नहमदु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी यस्सिर व ला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर व बिका नस्तईनु या फ़त्ताह। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम।
Juz number 7, chapter 6, Surah Al-An'am, the Kettle. This surah was revealed in Makkah. It has 165 verses and 20 sections. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. All praise belongs to Allah, who created the heavens and the earth and made darkness and light. Yet those who disbelieve equate others with their Lord. He is the one who created you from clay, then destined a term. The fixed term lies with him, yet you are in doubt. He is the true God in the heavens and the earth. He knows what you conceal and what you reveal, and He knows what you earn. Yet, whenever a sign from the signs of their Lord comes to them, they do nothing but turn away from it. So they rejected the truth when it came to them. Now there shall come to them a full account of what they used to ridicule. Have they not seen how many generations we have destroyed prior to them? Those whom we had given such a strong position in the land, as we did not give to you, and we poured on them abundant rains from the sky and made rivers flow beneath them? Then we destroyed them because of their sins and raised up another generation after them. If we had sent down to you something written on paper and they had even touched it with their hands, still the disbelievers would have said, "This is nothing but obvious magic." They say, "Why is it that an angel has not been sent down to him?" Had we sent down an angel, the whole matter would have been closed, and thereafter no further time would have been allowed to them. If we had made him an angel, we would have obviously made him a man, and would have caused them the same confusion they are causing now. Even before you, O Prophet, many messengers were ridiculed. Those who laughed at them were then besieged by what they used to ridicule. Say, go about the earth and see what was the fate of those who rejected the prophets. Say, to whom belongs all that is in the heavens and on the earth? Say to Allah, He has prescribed mercy for Himself. He will surely gather you on the day of resurrection, in which there is no doubt. Those who have brought loss to themselves are not going to believe. To Him belongs all that dwells in the night and the day. He is all hearing, all knowing. Say, would I take as guardian someone other than Allah, who is the creator of the heavens and the earth, and who feeds others and is not fed by anyone? Say, I have been asked to be the first to submit to Him, and never to be one of those who ascribe partners to Allah. Say, if I disobey my Lord, I fear the punishment of a momentous day. Whoever is spared from it, the punishment of that day is indeed blessed with His mercy. That is the manifest achievement. If Allah causes you harm, there is no one to remove it except He Himself. And if He causes you good, then He is powerful over everything. He is dominant over His servants, and He is the all-wise, the all-aware. Say, whose testimony is the greatest? Say, Allah is the witness between me and you, and this Quran has been revealed to me, so that I should thereby warn you, and whomsoever it may reach. Do you really bear witness that there are other gods along with Allah? Say, I bear no such witness. Say, in fact, He is one God. I disown what you associate with Him. Those to whom we have given the book recognize Him, the messenger, as certainly as they would recognize their sons. Those who have brought loss to themselves, they are not going to believe. Who is more unjust than one who invents a lie against Allah or rejects His signs? Beware, the unjust shall not prosper. Be mindful of the day we shall gather them together. Then we will say to those who associated partners with Allah, where are those you claimed to be partners of Allah? Then they will have no other mischievous move but that they will say, by Allah, our Lord, we ascribe no partners to Allah. See how they will lie about themselves, and all that they used to forge will vanish from them. There are those among them who apparently listen to you, but we have put coverings on their hearts so that they do not understand, and heaviness in their ears. If they were to see all the signs, they would still not believe in them. So much so that when they come to quarrel with you, the disbelievers say of the Quran, it is nothing but tales of the ancients. From it, the Quran, they prevent others, and from it they keep themselves away. They ruin none but their own selves, while they do not realize it. If only you could be there to see when they will be made to stand by the fire, and they will say, would that we were sent back, then we would not reject the signs of our Lord, and would join the believers. In fact, what they were concealing earlier will become clear to them. If they were sent back, they would again go for what they were forbidden from, as they are sheer liars. They say, there is nothing but this worldly life of ours, and we are not going to be raised again. If only you could see when they will be made to stand before their Lord. He will say, is this not true? They will say, of course, by our Lord it is. He will say, then taste the punishment, for you used to disbelieve. Losers indeed are those who deny that they will ever face Allah, until when the hour will come upon them suddenly. They will say, alas, we have been negligent about it. They shall carry their burdens on their backs. Beware, evil is the burden they carry. The worldly life is nothing but a game and fun, and the last abode is surely much better for those who fear Allah. Would you still not understand? Indeed, we know that what they say makes you sad, because it is not you whom they reject, but the transgressors actually deny the signs of Allah. Indeed, many messengers have been rejected before you, but they stood patient against their rejection, and they were persecuted until our help came to them. No one can change the words of Allah, and of course, some accounts of the messengers have already come to you. If their aversion is too hard on you, then seek, if you can, a tunnel into the earth or a ladder onto the sky in order to bring them a sign. Had Allah so willed, He would have brought all of them to the right path. So never be one of the ignorant. Only those respond who listen to seek the truth. As for the dead, Allah shall raise them, after which they shall be returned to Him. They say, why is it that no sign of our choice has been sent down to him from his Lord? Say, Allah is surely powerful enough to send down a sign, but most of them do not know. There is no creature moving on the earth nor a bird flying on its two wings, but they are all communities like you. We have not missed anything in the book. Then to their Lord all of them shall be gathered. Those who gave the lie to our signs are deaf and dumb, in layers of darkness. He lets whomsoever He wills go astray, and brings whomsoever He wills on the straight path. Say, tell me, if the punishment of Allah comes to you or the hour befalls you, would you call someone other than Allah if you are truthful? Rather, Him alone you will call, and He, if He wills, shall remove what you call Him for, and you will forget those who associate with Him. We did not send messengers to communities before you and put them to hardships and sufferings, so that they may supplicate in humility. Why then did they not supplicate in humility when a calamity from us came upon them? Instead, their hearts were hardened, and Shaitan adorned for them what they were doing. Thereafter, when they forgot the advice they were given, we opened for them doors of everything, so that when they become proud of what they were given, we seized them suddenly, and they were left in despair. Thus the people who did wrong were uprooted to the last man. Praise be to Allah, the Lord of the worlds. Say, tell me, if Allah takes away your hearing and your sights and sets a seal on your hearts, which God other than Allah can bring these back to you? See how we have put forth our verses in various forms, yet still they turn away. Say, tell me, if the punishment of Allah comes upon you, whether suddenly or openly, shall any people be destroyed except the unjust? We do not send the messengers but as bearers of good tidings and as warners. So those who believe and correct themselves, there will be no fear for them, nor shall they grieve. Whereas those who have rejected our signs, torment shall afflict them, because they used to commit sins. Say, I do not say to you that I have the treasures of Allah, nor do I have the knowledge of the unseen, nor do I say to you that I am an angel. I only follow what is revealed to me. Say, are the blind and the seeing alike? Do you then not reflect? Warn with it those who have the fear of being gathered before their Lord, with no one other than Him to support or to intercede. Maybe they become God-fearing. Do not expel those who call out to their Lord morning and evening seeking His pleasure. You are not responsible for anything in their account, and they are not responsible for anything in your account, that you should expel them and thus become one of the unjust. Thus we have tested some of them through others, so that they should say, are these the ones among all of us, whom Allah has chosen for His favor? Yes, does Allah not know well who are the grateful? When those who believe in our verses come to you, say to them, peace on you. Your Lord has prescribed for Himself mercy, so that if any one of you does an evil deed out of ignorance and thereafter repents and mends his ways, then you will see that He is most forgiving, very merciful. This is how we explain the verses in detail, so that the way of the guilty may become exposed. Say, I have been forbidden from worshipping those whom you invoke beside Allah. Say, I do not follow your desires, because if I were to do that, I would be going astray and would no more be of those on the right path. Say, I am on clear guidance from my Lord, and you have cried lies to it. That which you demand to be hastened is not up to me. The decision belongs to none but Allah. He relates the truth, and He is the best of all judges. Say, if what you demand to be hastened were up to me, the matter between me and you would have been over. Allah well knows who the wrongdoers are. With Him are the keys of the unseen. No one knows them but He. He knows what is in the land and the sea. No leaf ever falls but that he knows about it. And there is no grain in the dark layers of the earth, or anything fresh or dry that is not recorded in a manifest book. He is the one who recalls your souls by night and knows what you do by day. Then he makes you rise up therein, so that a fixed term may be fulfilled. Thereafter to him are you to return, then he will tell you what you have been doing. He is dominant over his slaves, and he sends guardians over you until when death comes upon one of you. Our deputies take his souls in full, and they neglect nothing from their duties. Then all of them will be returned to Allah, their real master. Behold, his is the judgment, and he is the swiftest of those who take account. Say, who is the one who delivers you from the darkness of the land and the sea when you supplicate him in humility and in low tones, promising, if he delivers us from this, we shall truly become grateful. Say, Allah delivers you from it and from every pain, yet still you associate partners with him. Say, he is fully capable that he should send a punishment from above you or from beneath your feet, or to put you in confusion through divisions and make some of you taste troubles through some others. See how we bring forth explaining verses from different angles so that they may understand. Your people have rejected it, the Quran, while it is the whole truth. Say, I am not appointed as a taskmaster over you. For every event there is a point of time and place to occur, and you will soon know it. When you see those who indulge in blaspheming our verses, turn away from them until they become occupied with some other discourse. If shaitan should cause you to forget this instruction, then do not sit with the unjust people after recollection. Those who fear Allah are not responsible for any evil act in the account of these infidels, except for advising them, so that they may be careful. Avoid those who have taken their faith as fun and games. The worldly life has deceived them. Preach with it, the Quran, lest one should be seized for what he did, in a way that he should have neither a helper besides Allah nor an intercessor. Should he offer every sort of ransom, it will not be accepted from him. Those are the ones who are seized for what they themselves earned. For them there is a drink of boiling water and a painful punishment, because they used to disbelieve. Say, should we invoke besides Allah something that can neither benefit us nor harm us? Should we turn back on our heels after Allah has guided us? If we do so, we will be like the one whom the devils have abducted to a far-off land, leaving him bewildered, even though he has friends who call him to the right path, saying, come to us. Say, Allah's guidance is the guidance, and we have been ordered to submit to the Lord of the worlds. And establish Salah and heed him. He is the one before whom you are to be gathered. He is the one who created the heavens and the earth with purpose. On the day he says, be, the resurrection will come to be. His word is the truth, and his is the kingdom on the day the horn shall be blown. He is the knower of the unseen and the seen. He is the wise, the all-aware. Remember when Ibrahim said to his father Azar, do you take idols for gods? I see you and your people in manifest error. Thus we showed Ibrahim the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, so that he may be firm in belief. So when the night enveloped him, he saw a star. He said, this is my Lord. But when it vanished, he said, I do not like those who vanish. Later, when he saw the moon rising, he said, "This is my Lord." But when it vanished, he said, "Had my Lord not guided me, I would have been among those gone astray." Thereafter, when he saw the sun rising, he said, "This is my Lord, this is greater." Again, when it vanished, he said, "O my people, I disown whatever you associate with Allah. I have indeed turned my face straight towards the one who created the heavens and the earth, and I am not one of those who associate partners with Allah." His people argued with him. He said, "Do you argue with me about Allah while He has already led me to the right path? I do not fear that which you associate with Him, because it cannot harm me, unless, of course, something is willed by my Lord. My Lord encompasses everything with His knowledge. Would you then take no lesson? How can I fear that which you associate with Him, while you do not fear the evil fate of your having associated with Allah something for which He did not send down to you any authority? Now, which of the two parties have more right to be in peace? Tell me if you know." Those who have believed and have not mixed their faith with injustice are the ones who deserve peace, and it is they who are on the right path. That is the decisive argument from us that we gave to Ibrahim against his people. We raise in ranks whomsoever we will. Surely your Lord is wise, knowing. We bestowed upon him Ishaq and Yaqub. Each one of them we guided to the right path. Earlier we guided Nuh and of his progeny. We guided Dawood and Suleiman and Ayub and Yusuf and Musa and Harun. Thus we reward those who are good in deeds. And we guided Zachariah and Yahya and Isa and Elias. Each one of them was of the righteous. And Ismail and Yasa and Yunus and Luth and all of them we made to excel over all the people of the world in their respective times. We guided many among their fathers and their children and their brothers, and we chose them and led them onto the straight path. That is Allah's guidance. He guides with it whomsoever He wills from among His servants. Had they associated partners with Him, all they did would have been nullified for them. They are those whom we have given the book and wisdom and prophethood. So if these people disbelieve this concept of prophethood, then be not grieved, because we have deputed for believing in it a people who do not reject it. Those are the people whom Allah has guided. So it is their guidance that you should follow. Say, I ask you no reward for it. It is nothing but an advice for all the worlds. They do not hold Allah in due esteem when they said, Allah has not sent down anything to a human being. Say, who has sent down the book brought by Musa as a light and a guidance for people, which you keep in various sheets, some of which you disclose and a lot of which you conceal, and by which you taught that you did not know, neither you nor your fathers? Say, Allah, then leave them to play with whatever they indulge in. This is indeed a blessed book we have sent down, confirming what was revealed before it, so that you may warn the town which is the mother of all towns, that is Makkah, and those around it. Those who believe in the hereafter believe in it, and they take due care of their prayers. Who is more unjust than the one who fabricates a lie against Allah or says, Revelation has been sent down to me, whereas no revelation has been sent to him, and the one who says, I would produce the like of what Allah has revealed. If only you could witness when the unjust are in the throes of death, and the angels stretch their hands and say, "Out with your souls. Today you shall have your punishment, a punishment of humiliation, because you have been saying about Allah what is not true and have been showing arrogance against His verses. You have come to us all alone, just as we had first created you, and you have left behind you what we had bestowed on you, and we do not see your antecessors with you, those whom you claimed to be our partners in managing your matters. In fact, all ties between you are now severed, and all that you presumed has totally failed you. Surely, Allah is the one who splits the grain and the date stone for sprouting. He brings forth the living from the dead, and He is the one who brings forth the dead from the living. That is Allah. To where then are you being turned away by your desires? He is the one who causes the dawn to break. He has made the night for rest and the sun and the moon for reckoning. This is a measure set by the Almighty, the All-Knowing. He is the one who made for you the stars so that you may be guided by them in darkness of the land and the sea. We have elaborated the signs for the people who know. No. He is the one who created you from one person. Then you have a place to dwell and a place to sojourn. We have elaborated the signs for the people who understand. He is the one who sent down water from the heavens. Then we brought forth with it vegetation of all kinds. Then from it we brought grains set upon one another. From the palm trees, from their spats, come forth the low-hanging bunches. We produce vineyards and the olive and the pomegranate, either similar or not similar to each other. Look at its fruit when it bears fruit, and at its ripening. Surely in all this there are signs for the people who believe. They have invented the jinns as partners with Allah, while He has created them, and they have fabricated for Him sons and daughters without any knowledge. Pure is He and far more higher than what they describe. He is the originator of the heavens and the earth. How can He have a son when He never had a wife? He created everything and He knows everything. This is Allah, your Lord. There is no God but He, the creator of everything. So worship Him. He is guardian over everything. No vision can comprehend Him, and He comprehends all visions. And He is absolutely subtle, all aware. Say, O Prophet, there have come to you insights from your Lord. Now, whoever uses his sight does so for his own self, and whoever remains blind does so against his own self. I do not stand guard over you. This is how we bring the verses in diverse ways, so that they say, you have been tutored, and so that we may explain it to people who have knowledge. Follow what has been revealed to you from your Lord. There is no God but He, and turn away from those who associate partners with Allah. If Allah willed, they would not have associated. We have not appointed you as a guard over them, nor are you a taskmaster for them. Do not revile those whom they invoke other than Allah, lest they should revile Allah in transgression without having knowledge. This is how we have made the deeds of every community attractive in their sight. Then to their Lord is their return, after which He shall tell them what they have been doing. They have sworn forceful oaths by Allah that if a sign comes to them, they will surely believe in it. Say, signs are in Allah's power alone. What will make you realize that even when the signs come, they will not believe? We will upset their hearts and sides, as they did not believe in them at the first instance, and we will leave them wandering blindly in their rebellion. With this, we come to the end of Juz number 7. Juz number 8, chapter 6, Surah Al-An'am, the cattle, starting from Ayah 111. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
ولو أننا نزلنا إليهم الملائكة وكلمهم الموتى وحشرنا عليهم كل شيء قبلا ما كانوا ليؤمنوا إلا أن يشاء الله ولكن أكثرهم يجهلون.
If we had sent down to them the angels and the dead had spoken to them, and even if we had gathered everything before them face to face, still they were not to believe, unless Allah would have so willed. But most of them adopt the way of ignorance.
وكذلك جعلنا لكل نبي عدوا شياطين الإنس والجن يوحي بعضهم إلى بعض زخرف القول غرورا ولو شاء ربك ما فعلوه فذرهم وما يفترون.
So it is that for every prophet we have set up enemies, the devils of mankind and jinn, who seduce one another with alluring rhetoric in order to deceive. Had Allah willed, they would have not done it. So leave them alone with what they forge.
ولتصغى إليه أفئدة الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة وليرضوه وليقترفوا ما هم مقترفون.
And they seduce one another in order that the hearts of those who do not believe in the hereafter may incline to it, and that they may be well pleased with it, and so that they commit with those seducers are used to commit.
أفغير الله أبتغي حكما وهو الذي أنزل إليكم الكتاب مفصلا والذين آتيناهم الكتاب يعلمون أنه منزل من ربك بالحق فلا تكونن من الممترين.
So should I seek someone other than Allah as judge while it is He who have sent down to you the book in details? Those we have given the book know that it is revealed from your Lord with the truth. So never be one of those who are in suspicion.
وتمت كلمة ربك صدقا وعدلا لا مبدل لكلماته وهو السميع العليم.
The word of your Lord is perfect in truth and justice. None is there to change His words, and He is all-hearing, all-knowing.
وإن تطع أكثر من في الأرض يضلوك عن سبيل الله إن يتبعون إلا الظن وإن هم إلا يخرصون.
If you obey the majority of those on earth, they will make you lose the way of Allah. They follow nothing but whims, and they do nothing but make conjectures.
إن ربك هو أعلم من يضل عن سبيله وهو أعلم بالمهتدين.
Surely your Lord is best aware of those who go astray from His way, and He is best aware of those who are on the right path.
فكلوا مما ذكر اسم الله عليه إن كنتم بآياته مؤمنين.
So eat the flesh of that animal upon which the name of Allah has been invoked when slaughtering, if you do believe in His verses.
وما لكم ألا تأكلوا مما ذكر اسم الله عليه وقد فصل لكم ما حرم عليكم إلا ما اضطررتم إليه وإن كثيرا ليضلون بأهوائهم بغير علم إن ربك هو أعلم بالمعتدين.
What should cause you to avoid eating of that upon which the name of Allah has been invoked, while He has spelled out to you all that He has made unlawful for you, except that to which you are compelled by extreme necessity? Surely there are many who misguide people on the basis of their desires without having knowledge. Surely your Lord is the best knower of those who cross the limits.
وذروا ظاهر الإثم وباطنه إن الذين يكسبون الإثم سيجزون بما كانوا يقترفون.
Leave outward sin and inward sin. Surely those who commit sin shall be punished for what they used to commit.
ولا تأكلوا مما لم يذكر اسم الله عليه وإنه لفسق وإن الشياطين ليوحون إلى أوليائهم ليجادلوكم وإن أطعتموهم إنكم لمشركون.
Do not eat that meat over which the name of Allah has not been pronounced. This is surely a sin. The shaitans inspire their friends to dispute with you. If you were to obey them, you would be mushriks.
أَوَمَنْ كَانَ مَيْتًا فَأَحْيَيْنَاهُ وَجَعَلْنَا لَهُ نُورًا يَمْشِي بِهِ فِي النَّاسِ كَمَنْ مَثَلُهُ فِي الظُّلُمَاتِ لَيْسَ بِخَارِجٍ مِنْهَا كذلك زين للكافرين ما كانوا يعملون.
Is it conceivable that the one who was dead and to whom we gave life and set for him a light with which he walks among men is held to be like the one whose condition is such that he is in total darkness, never coming out of it? This is how their deeds appear beautified to the disbelievers.
وكذلك جعلنا في كل قرية أكابر مجرميها ليمكروا فيها وما يمكرون إلا بأنفسهم وما يشعرون.
In a similar way, in every town we caused its chief sinners to commit mischief in it, and they do not commit mischief but against themselves while they do not realize it.
وإذا جاءتهم آية قالوا لن نؤمن حتى نؤتى مثل ما أوتي رسل الله أعلم حيث يجعل رسالته سيصيب الذين أجرموا صغار عند الله وعذاب شديد بما كانوا يمكرون.
When a sign comes to them, they say, we shall never come to believe unless we are given the like of what was given to the messengers of Allah. Allah knows best where to place His message. Those who committed sin shall soon suffer from disgrace before Allah and face severe punishment for the mischief they have been making.
فمن يرد الله أن يهديه يشرح صدره للإسلام ومن يرد أن يضله يجعل صدره ضيقا حرجا كأنما يصعد في السماء كذلك يجعل الله الرجس على الذين لا يؤمنون.
So whomsoever Allah wills to guide, He makes his heart wide open for Islam. And whomsoever He wills to let go astray, He makes his heart straight and constructed. And he feels embracing Islam as difficult, as if he were climbing to the sky. In this way, Allah lays abomination on those who do not believe.
وهذا صراط ربك مستقيما قد فصلنا الآيات لقوم يذكرون.
This is the path of your Lord, a straight path. We have made the verses elaborate for people who accept the advice.
لهم دار السلام عند ربهم وهو وليهم بما كانوا يعملون.
For them there is the abode of peace with their Lord, and He is their guardian by virtue of what they used to do.
ويوم يحشرهم جميعا يا معشر الجن قد استكثرتم من الإنس وقال أولياؤهم من الإنس ربنا استمتع بعضنا ببعض وبلغنا أجلنا الذي أجلت لنا قال النار مثواكم خالدين فيها إلا ما شاء الله إن ربك حكيم عليم.
The day He will assemble all of them together, Allah will say to jinn, O species of jinns, you have done too much against mankind. Their friends from among the human beings will say, Our Lord, some of us have benefited from others, and we have reached our term that you had appointed for us. He will say, The fire is your abode, wherein you will remain forever, unless Allah wills otherwise. Surely your Lord is all-wise, all-knowing.
وكذلك نولي بعض الظالمين بعضا بما كانوا يكسبون.
Thus we will make some wrongdoers companions of others in the hereafter because of what they used to commit.
يا معشر الجن والإنس ألم يأتكم رسل منكم يقصون عليكم آياتي وينذرونكم لقاء يومكم هذا قالوا شهدنا على أنفسنا وغرتهم الحياة الدنيا وشهدوا على أنفسهم أنهم كانوا كافرين.
O species of jinn and mankind, had the messengers not come to you from among yourselves who used to relate my verses to you and used to warn you of the encounter of this, your day? They will say, we testify against ourselves. The worldly life had deceived us, and they will testify against themselves that they were disbelievers.
ذلك أن لم يكن ربك مهلك القرى بظلم وأهلها غافلون.
That Allah sends messengers is because your Lord is not to destroy any towns on account of any wrongdoing, while their people are unaware.
ولكل درجات مما عملوا وما ربك بغافل عما يعملون.
For all people there are ranks according to what they did, and your Lord is not unaware of what they do.
وربك الغني ذو الرحمة إن يشأ يذهبكم ويستخلف من بعدكم ما يشاء كما أنشأكم من ذرية قوم آخرين.
Your Lord is the all-independent, the Lord of mercy. If He so wills, He can take you away and cause whomsoever He wills to succeed you, just as He has raised you from the progeny of other people.
إنما توعدون لآت وما أنتم بمعجزين.
Surely what you are promised is bound to come, and you cannot frustrate it.
قل يا قوم اعملوا على مكانتكم إني عامل فسوف تعلمون من تكون له عاقبة الدار إنه لا يفلح الظالمون.
Say, O my people, do at your place whatever you do, I have to do in my way. So you will know for whom is the ultimate abode. Surely the wrongdoers will not be successful.
وجعلوا لله مما ذرأ من الحرث والأنعام نصيبا فقالوا هذا لله بزعمهم وهذا لشركائنا فما كان لشركائهم فلا يصل إلى الله وما كان لله فهو يصل إلى شركائهم ساء ما يحكمون.
They have assigned a portion of Allah from the tillage and the cattle created by Him, and then said, "This is for Allah." So they claim. And this is for our associate gods. Then that which is allocated for their associate gods never reaches Allah, while that which is allocated for Allah does reach their associate gods. Evil is what they judge.
وكذلك زين لكثير من المشركين قتل أولادهم شركاؤهم ليردوهم وليلبسوا عليهم دينهم ولو شاء الله ما فعلوه فذرهم وما يفترون.
Similarly, their associate gods have made the killings of their children seem fair to many mushriks, so that they may ruin them and may confuse their faith for them. Had Allah so willed, they would not have done that. So leave them alone with what they fabricate.
وقالوا هذه أنعام وحرث حجر لا يطعمها إلا من نشاء بزعمهم وأنعام حرمت ظهورها وأنعام لا يذكرون اسم الله عليها افتراء عليه سيجزيهم بما كانوا يفترون.
They say, "These are prohibited cattle and produce. None can eat them except those whom we wish." So they claimed, and there are cattle whose backs are prohibited for riding or loading. And there are cattle over which they do not pronounce the name of Allah, all being fabrications against Him. He will soon punish them for what they have been fabricating.
وقالوا ما في بطون هذه الأنعام خالصة لذكورنا ومحرم على أزواجنا وإن يكن ميتة فهم فيه شركاء سيجزيهم وصفهم إنه حكيم عليم.
They say, Whatever is in the wombs of these cattle is purely for our males and forbidden to our wives. If it be born dead, then all of them share in it. Soon he will punish them for what they attribute. Surely he is all wise, all knowing.
قد خسر الذين قتلوا أولادهم سفها بغير علم وحرموا ما رزقهم الله افتراء على الله قد ضل.
Surah Al-An'am, starting with Ayah 141. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
وهو الذي أنشأ جنات معروشات وغير معروشات والنخل والزرع مختلفا أكله والزيتون والرمان متشابها وغير متشابه كلوا من ثمره إذا أثمر وآتوا حقه يوم حصاده ولا تسرفوا إنه لا يحب المسرفين.
He is the one who has created gardens, trellised and untrellised, and date palms and crops with a variety of edibles, and the olive and the pomegranate, some similar to the one another, and some dissimilar. Eat of its fruit when it bears fruits, and pay its due on the day of harvest, and do not be extravagant. Surely Allah does not like the extravagant.
ومن الأنعام حمولة وفرشا كلوا مما رزقكم الله ولا تتبعوا خطوات الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين.
Among cattle, He has created those fit for loading and those fit for laying on the floor. Eat of what Allah has provided you, and do not follow the footsteps of shaitan. Surely he is an open enemy to you.
ثمانية أزواج من الضأن اثنين ومن المعز اثنين قل الذكرين حرم أم الأنثيين أما اشتملت عليه أرحام الأنثيين نبئوني بعلم إن كنتم صادقين.
Allah has created 8 pairs, 2 of sheep and 2 of goats. Say, is it the 2 males that he has prohibited, or the 2 females, or whatever the wombs of the 2 females contain? Tell me on the basis of knowledge if you are true.
ومن الإبل اثنين ومن البقر اثنين قل الذكرين حرم أم الأنثيين أما اشتملت عليه أرحام الأنثيين أم كنتم شهداء إذ وصاكم الله بهذا فمن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا ليضل الناس بغير علم إن الله لا يهدي القوم الظالمين.
And he has created 2 of the camels and 2 of oxen. Say, is it the 2 males that he has prohibited, or the 2 females, or whatever the wombs of the 2 females contain? Or were you present when Allah has advised you of this? So, who is more unjust than the one who fabricates a lie against Allah in order to misguide people without knowledge? Surely, Allah gives no guidance to an unjust people.
قل لا أجد فيما أوحي إلي محرما على طاعم يطعمه إلا أن يكون ميتة أو دما مسفوحا أو لحم خنزير فإنه رجس أو فسقا أهل لغير الله به فمن اضطر غير باغ ولا عاد فإن ربك غفور رحيم.
Say, I do not find in what has been revealed to me anything out of the cattle under discussion prohibited for anyone who eats it, unless it be a carrion or blood that pours forth, or flesh of swine because it is impure, or there be an animal slaughtered sinfully by invoking on it the name of someone other than Allah. However, if anyone is compelled by necessity, neither seeking pleasure nor crossing the limit, then your Lord is most forgiving, very merciful.
وعلى الذين هادوا حرمنا كل ذي ظفر ومن البقر والغنم حرمنا عليهم شحومهما إلا ما حملت ظهورهما أو الحوايا أو ما اختلط بعظم ذلك جزيناهم ببغيهم وإنا لصادقون.
For those who are Jews, we prohibited all that has claws. Of cows and goats, we prohibited for them their fats, except that which is borne by their backs or the entrails, or what is attached to a bone. Thus we recompensed them for their transgression. We are definitely truthful.
فإن كذبوك فقل ربكم ذو رحمة واسعة ولا يرد بأسه عن القوم المجرمين.
Then if they give the lie to you, say your Lord is the Lord of all embracing mercy, and his punishment cannot be averted from the sinning people.
سيقول الذين أشركوا لو شاء الله ما أشركنا ولا آباؤنا ولا حرمنا من شيء كذلك كذب الذين من قبلهم حتى ذاقوا بأسنا قل هل عندكم من علم فتخرجوه لنا إن تتبعون إلا الظن وإن أنتم إلا تخرصون.
Those who associate partners with Allah will say, had Allah willed, we would have not associated partners with him, nor our fathers, nor would we have made anything prohibited. In the same way, those who went before them gave the lie to the truth until they tasted our punishment. Say, do you have any sure knowledge that you may produce to us? You follow nothing but whims and do nothing but make conjectures.
قل فلله الحجة البالغة فلو شاء لهداكم أجمعين.
Say, then Allah's is the conclusive proof. So had He willed, He would have brought all of you on the right path.
قل هلم شهداءكم الذين يشهدون أن الله حرم هذا فإن شهدوا فلا تشهد معهم ولا تتبع أهواء الذين كذبوا بآياتنا والذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة وهم بربهم يعدلون.
Say, bring your witnesses who testify that Allah has prohibited this. Then if they testify, O Prophet, do not be a witness to them and do not follow the desires of those who have given the lie to our signs and those who do not believe in the hereafter and who equate others with their Lord.
قل تعالوا أتل ما حرم ربكم عليكم ألا تشركوا به شيئا وبالوالدين إحسانا ولا تقتلوا أولادكم من إملاق نحن نرزقكم وإياهم ولا تقربوا الفواحش ما ظهر منها وما بطن ولا تقتلوا النفس التي حرم الله إلا بالحق ذلكم وصاكم به لعلكم تعقلون.
Say, O Prophet, to the infidels, come and I shall recite what your Lord has prohibited for you. Do not associate anything with him as his partner, and be good to parents, and do not kill your children because of poverty. We will give provision to you and to them as well, and do not go near shameful acts, whether they are open or secret, and do not kill a person whom Allah has given sanctity, except rightfully. This He has enjoined upon you so that you may understand.
ولا تقربوا مال اليتيم إلا بالتي هي أحسن حتى يبلغ أشده وأوفوا الكيل والميزان بالقسط لا نكلف نفسا إلا وسعها وإذا قلتم فاعدلوا ولو كان ذا قربى وبعهد الله أوفوا ذلكم وصاكم به لعلكم تذكرون.
Do not approach the property of the orphan except with the best possible conduct until he reaches maturity. Give full measure and full weight in all fairness. We do not obligate anyone beyond its capacity, and be just when you speak, even though the one against whom you are speaking is a relative, and fulfill the covenant of Allah. This is what He has enjoined upon you, so that you may observe the advice.
وأن هذا صراطي مستقيما فاتبعوه ولا تتبعوا السبل فتفرق بكم عن سبيله ذلكم وصاكم به لعلكم تتقون.
And this is my path that is straightforward, so follow it, and do not follow the other ways, lest they should make you deviate from His way. This is what He has enjoined upon you, so that you may be God-fearing.
ثم آتينا موسى الكتاب تماما على الذي أحسن وتفصيلا لكل شيء وهدى ورحمة لعلهم بلقاء ربهم يؤمنون.
Then we gave Musa the book, perfect for the one who does good, and explaining everything in detail, and a guidance and mercy, so that they may believe in meeting their Lord.
وهذا كتاب أنزلناه مبارك فاتبعوه واتقوا لعلكم ترحمون.
And this Quran is a blessed book we have sent down. So follow it and fear Allah, so that you may be favored with mercy.
أن تقولوا إنما أنزل الكتاب على طائفتين من قبلنا وإن كنا عن دراستهم لغافلين.
Had He not sent this book, you would have an excuse to say, the book has sent down only upon two groups before us, that is, the Jews and the Christians, and we were unaware of what they read.
أو تقولوا لو أنا أنزل علينا الكتاب لكنا أهدى منهم فقد جاءكم بينة من ربكم وهدى ورحمة فمن أظلم ممن كذب بآيات الله وصدف عنها سنجزي الذين يصدفون عن آياتنا سوء العذاب بما كانوا يصدفون.
Or you would say, if the book had been sent down to us, we would have been more adhering to the right path than they are. Now there has come to you a clear sign from your Lord and a guidance and mercy. So, who is more unjust than the one who gives the lie to the verses of Allah and turns away from them? We will recompense those who turn away from our verses with an evil punishment because of their turning away.
هل ينظرون إلا أن تأتيهم الملائكة أو يأتي ربك أو يأتي بعض آيات ربك يوم يأتي بعض آيات ربك لا ينفع نفسا إيمانها لم تكن آمنت من قبل أو كسبت في إيمانها خيرا قل انتظروا إنا منتظرون.
They are waiting for nothing less than that the angels should come to them, or your Lord, or some signs of your Lord should come. The day some signs of your Lord will come, the believing of a person shall be of no use to him who had never believed before, or had not earned some good through his faith. Say, wait, of course we are waiting.
إن الذين فرقوا دينهم وكانوا شيعا لست منهم في شيء إنما أمرهم إلى الله ثم ينبئهم بما كانوا يفعلون.
Surely those who have made divisions in their religion and turned into factions, you have nothing to do with them. Their case rests with Allah alone. Then He will tell them what they have been doing.
من جاء بالحسنة فله عشر أمثالها ومن جاء بالسيئة فلا يجزى إلا مثلها وهم لا يظلمون.
Whoever comes with a good deed will receive 10 times as much, and whoever comes with an evil deed will be requited with no more than the like of it, and they shall not be wronged.
قل إنني هداني ربي إلى صراط مستقيم دينا قيما ملة إبراهيم حنيفا وما كان من المشركين.
Say, as for me, my Lord has guided me to a straight path, the straight religion, the faith of Ibrahim, who was upright and was not of those who associate partners with Allah.
قل إن صلاتي ونسكي ومحياي ومماتي لله رب العالمين.
Say, my prayer, my offering, my life and my death are for Allah, the Lord of all the worlds.
لا شريك له وبذلك أمرت وأنا أول المسلمين.
For him there is no partner, and thus I have been commanded, and I am the first one to submit.
قل أغير الله أبغي ربا وهو رب كل شيء ولا تكسب كل نفس إلا عليها ولا تزر وازرة وزر أخرى ثم إلى ربكم مرجعكم فينبئكم بما كنتم فيه تختلفون.
Say, should I seek a Lord other than Allah while He is the Lord of everything? And nobody does anything but to his own account, and no bearer of burden shall bear the burden of another. Then to your Lord is your return. Then He will let you know what you were disputing about.
وهو الذي جعلكم خلائف الأرض ورفع بعضكم فوق بعض درجات ليبلوكم فيما آتاكم إن ربك سريع العقاب وإنه لغفور رحيم.
It is He who made you the vicegerents of the earth and raised some of you in ranks over others, so that He may test you in what He has given you. Surely your Lord is swift in punishing, and surely He is most forgiving, very merciful. With this, we come to the end of Surah Al-An'am.
Barakallahu li wa lakum wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Ameen ya rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.